Yo, my name is Zosh.
Yo, it's Young Static.
What's cracking, guys? This is Christian from Honda Vlogs.
Yo, vatos locos. This is Wazymangarage. And you know who you're watching?
You're watching Lazymangarage.
You're watching Lazymangarage.
And you're watching Lazy Man's Garage.
Lazymangarage.
It's another day, and I realize I'm wearing a really good sweater that I shouldn't be wearing if I'm going to be welding and grinding today. But that's what the welding jacket's for. Do I have any mocos on me? I hope not. Nope, I don't. So today I'm going to be working on the floor again, and I got to weld at one spot I didn't weld in the last video because I'm stupid. So you know, believe it or not, welding takes a lot of you. You get really tired from doing all this. This is because you got to concentrate, and I'm not good at that stuff. Because that's why I can't film a lot of stuff, because I kind of forget because I'm kind of stupid. What I'm gonna do before I even start working on my car is I seen that Grandpa's car is pretty dirty, and you know, he does a lot for me. So I'm gonna go grab the keys from him. I'm not gonna tell him what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna pull the car to the driveway and I'm gonna clean it. My grandpa, he's probably gonna be like, if I tell him I'm gonna clean the car, he'll be like, no, it's fine, because that's how, you know, Mexican grandfathers are. It's like everything's fine until you don't do it. So, you know, he'd be like, everything's fine. Wish I had a clean car though. So I'm gonna clean his car for him. I'm gonna do the rims and all that stuff. Can't do the interior because I don't have anything to clean the interior, but I have everything to clean the exterior. So that's what I'm going to do. Now I'm in the car. I told him that I had to find a socket that fell under his car, and he believed it. But most of you guys are going to drag me right now because I don't have any cleaning car material, so I use this stuff right here. I had to slip this into my pocket without him noticing because I kind of want to clean the car for him as a surprise. But please don't have no music on pop, thank God. So I'm going to clean his car for him right now. You know, I can't believe he actually bought it. Why the hell would I have a socket in the road, Ed? Come on. I know you watch my videos. Why the hell would I have a socket in the road? Come on. Think. I'm going to clean your car. Because you do a lot for me, so I got to do something for you. And just for the people who are watching this, he didn't ask me to do this. I'm doing this on my own free will because I don't like my grandparents having dirty cars. And hi, boys. It's the boys right over there. I just want him to have a nice car, nice clean car. So that's what I'm going to do right now. God, I am really white. Damn, the boy's clean. Look at all that. Clean as a whistle. So I started doing this, and then I was like, okay, I'm going to do that. I know it's, like I said, not the prettiest welds, but when you grind them down, they will look like that. You know, so started doing that all the way down there. Started doing this side. On the other side of the car, I started doing this, but I started bonding them together because it is an overlay. Started making this right here, and now I'm starting to go all the way down to where it's going to meet down there. So when I grind it down, I don't have to use that much Bondo. It'll be one solid piece. I guess I can show you on the other side. On the other side, this is all one piece now, all the way through, and then on this side I started doing this. Just kind of fiddle farting around with it, started bringing more this way, because like I said, when you grind it, it doesn't always come out so smooth as you think it would. It kind of comes out like weird. Sometimes there's holes, or sometimes like it starts like this, it does this right here, and I hate that. So I like when it's full and it becomes one piece. To me, that's what I like. So that's what I'm going for. This looks like crap, but in the end it won't. That's the main thing. And I have to wear this because I'm burning a lot of seam sealer and undercoating, and it smells awful, god awful. So I'm gonna get back to welding. Sorry, I don't really show much of the welding. The only reason why I don't do that is because I have some friends that have epilepsy, epileptic seizures, and I don't want to trigger them and have it like kick off. So just for their safety and for yours and for mine. So it's another day and the suspension's off, right? So I said, why not? So I started taking off all the coating underneath because I'm going to spray that rubberized coating that goes right there over this. But as you can see, there is frame that, you know, meets each other, and I'm going to stitch weld that too, because like I said, I'm going to stitch weld everything. And this is everything that came off, and how I used it and how I got all that stuff off was one of those regular sanding wheels. Did not work out the way I thought it would. I was covered in it, and some of it flew in my eye, and it hurt really bad. But I was wearing a face mask, and it still hurt. Okay, so I've been welding this entire area crazy. It's been penetrating through, as you can see. Shout out to my grandpa. Brought me one of these bad boys. This takes care of all that. All that. All that is this. But, started welding. Got all this situated, all that situated. Like I said, everything gets grinded down so it looks smooth. I still have a lot more to do here. I got all this to do around the top. Still got to get rid of this part because you can see where the body line goes this way. And on that side, I still got to get rid of the other bits that are over there. But I think I'm making good progress. Man, this is a lot of work. And I'm sweating up a storm. Hi. It's been a while. So far I got a lot of welding done. I will show you. I gotta flip the camera around. After hours of welding and constant burning of my ears because embers would fall in there, everything now is officially welded. Yes, I do know my welds are ass. I was about to say yes, I do know my ass is welds. Reason why this spot is open is because that's where the bung for the brake master, well, the prop master is going. It's gonna have a fitting here that comes out right here, and well, the line's gonna come here and meet here, and that's where the steel braided Goodrich brake lines will meet. Everything is welded all the way to the tippity top, all the way around, even on this side. All of it is welded. So now I got to do a whole lot of grinding, and I'll probably save that for another day, another video maybe. But as you can see, the weldings are ass, but the welds went through, so that's good. That means that it's a solid weld. Some of the welds went through here, right here. This is where the welds went through. Some of them went right here, some of them up here. But other than that, it's gooey. It's real gooey. Yeah. It's another long day. Another long day. Man, I didn't know welding this would be so difficult, but I'm trying it. But if you like this video, please make sure you subscribe. It helps me out. Trying to reach 1,000 soon. Probably, I want to reach 1,000 before my birthday, which is in March. That would be great if you guys could consider subscribing. If you guys need anything for your motor done, head on over to SB Machine Shop. Link down to their Instagram is down below. If you guys need anything for your cars, whether it's 350Z, S14, S13, Civic, whatever, OMO Motorsports is your place to go. They are located in Montclair, California, in the Inland Empire. If you buy something from them, let them know that I sent you. But that's going to do it for this video. My name is Chris from Lazymangarage, and I'm lazy, so you don't have to be. Peace.